Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel after a long time. Today we are going to solve a problem called pay sum in BST. Given here is a binary search tree and a target is given. We need to find what pairs of nodes in the BST with values summing up to the target. So to solve this, let us take a reference from the two sum. So if you are wondering what a two sum is, a two sum is we'll take a set and add the values whatever we find, and if the target minus any value from the pair is present in the given tree or an array, we'll get the answer. If there is a node or values that exist that come to the two sum. So to solve this, let us take a set, and let us define a function because we're going to perform BFS. So let us go through the root dot left or root dot right. So basically we'll search everything from root dot left and root dot right, and if anything is found, if the root is none, if not root, we'll just return false because we haven't found anything here. And if the target minus root dot data in D, that means if the target minus root data is in the D, will return true. And if they are in both root dot left and root dot right, we have a pay here. So let us add the root dot data here and do the actual call in the main program. Let's do one thing, let us return this and let us see if it runs well. I have tried many times, so I'll get less accuracy this time. Let us submit this and check if this is working fine. Yes, it is successfully passing all the test cases. So please go through the toolsum again to get what we are doing here, and we are doing this to ensure that it is present in both root dot left and root dot right. We don't need something in a single way or single place. They may exist in different places. Please go through this again and check it out.